Hello, all MathTube viewers. So, I am back with an interesting topic, that is algebra. First, what is algebra? What do we mean by algebra? We should understand that what do we mean by algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with the algebraic expressions along with fundamental operations. Now, algebra is a branch of mathematics. Now, under algebra, we get two terms called constant. The first one is constant and the second one is variable. First, we need to understand what is constant. Constant means it is a fixed value, while variable is a varying value. The word variable itself says that it varies. It is a varying symbol which starts from all the small letter alphabets. Now here I have a constant which is a numerical value 2. For example, let us take 2 and a variable any alphabet let us take as x. Now when we combine this constant and a variable, this is called an algebraic term. Algebraic term is a combination of constant and a variable. Now we know that algebraic term means it is a combination of constant and a variable. Now in algebraic terms, let us see those types. Under algebraic terms, we have two types, that is like terms and unlike terms. First, what are like terms? Like terms are those whose variable is same. For example, first let us write the definition of like term. Like term, algebraic expression having like term, we say that when the variables are same. For example, 2x plus x minus 3x. Now in this case only the coefficients or the constants are varying in each case, but whereas the variable is same all over here. So this type of algebraic terms are called as like terms. Whereas unlike terms, they have different variables. For example, 2y plus 3z minus 2x. Here all the variables are different. So this type of algebraic expressions or the terms are called as unlike terms. The definition is algebraic term having having same variable throughout the equation. Are known as like terms, whereas opposite of this algebraic expressions having different kind of variables are called as unlike terms. Now let us understand what is algebraic expression. When two or more than two algebraic terms get combined with along with the fundamental operations, we call them as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination. The definition will be like this. Algebraic expression is a combination of two or more unlike terms unlike or like, whatever it may be. And terms having with fundamental operations. These are called as algebraic expressions. For example, here let us take this value, this or this value only, 2y plus 3z minus 2x. This is also called a algebraic expression. Now next let us move to the types of algebraic expression. So we have many types in algebraic expression. First one is monomial. Monomial means an algebraic expression having only one term. For example, 3x, 2y, 5z, etc. These the algebraic expression having only one term are called as monomial. Now the second one is binomial. Here algebraic expressions having two unlike terms. Here we have to mention two unlike terms, because if we just say that algebraic expression having two terms are called binomial expression, means it gets wrong, because two term, if we mention two term means we can write that 2x plus x. Here two terms are there, but they are two like terms. If we can add these two like terms, the answer will come 3x. So this is a monomial. So we can't say this as a binomial. So we have to mention that binomial means algebraic expressions having two unlike terms. For example, 2x minus y, 3y plus z minus, etc. Third one is trinomial. Trinomial, in this case also we have to mention unlike term in the definition. Trinomial means it is an algebraic expression having three unlike terms. For example, 2x is one term and plus 3y is another term. Here it is two unlike terms. We should have three unlike terms. Minus 5z. Here we are having three unlike terms. So this type of algebraic expressions are called as trinomial. And fourth one is polynomial. Most of the people have wrong information on polynomial, that they say, if we ask the definition, they will say polynomial means the algebraic expression which are having more than three terms. But it is not the exact definition, it is wrong definition. But it will not holds good in all the cases. Only in some cases it will be agreed. But polynomial means the algebraic expressions which are having their power as a whole number. The algebraic expression having their power as a whole number. Such algebraic expressions are called as polynomials. For example, we can say monomial also a polynomial because its power is 1, which is a whole number. And we can also say this binomial term also as a polynomial because their powers are 1. And These are the examples of polynomial. Here 2x square plus 3y square minus 5z. Here the powers are whole numbers. 2 is a whole number and 1 is also whole number. So trinomial example is also an example for polynomial. Let us take another example. Why we have mentioned the power as whole number? Because now if I write 2x by x means what is this? Most of them will think that this is also a polynomial, but whereas this is not a polynomial, it's an algebraic expression. Here if we take the x to the numerator, it becomes minus x. So minus x, sorry, x minus, it becomes x minus. Here minus will not come under the whole number, so it will be wrong. Now let us understand the difference between polynomial and an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression has even the negative powers also. For example, here I have written this algebraic expression. Now we can't say this is a polynomial because we know that polynomial means its power should be whole number, but whereas here it is a negative which is not a whole number. So this is called just a algebraic expression, whereas here if I write the same thing as without the negative power with the whole number 10x plus 5z cube, this is a polynomial and it is also a algebraic expression. So we came to know that all algebraic expressions are not the polynomials, whereas all the polynomials are called as algebraic expressions. But all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Only some algebraic expressions which having power as whole number are polynomials. Now in the next class, let us discuss about the polynomial and its types, degree, factor theorem, remainder theorem, and many more interesting concepts. I hope you all have understood and cleared all your doubts. Thank you for watching.